89. Weather. The weather can be rainy, sunny, cloudy, snowy, windy, foggy, stormy. It's warm. It's hot. It's chilly. It's cold. It's mild. It's cold. It's warm. Tip 89. Exercise. Make questions for the answers. My favorite season is summer because sun is ever shining. What's your favorite season and why? My favorite season is summer because sun is ever shining. Yes, normally it's hot during summer. Is it ever hot during summer? Yes, normally it's hot during summer. I prefer sunny weather because I feel happier. Do you prefer sunny or rainy weather and why? I prefer sunny weather because I feel happier. Today was difficult to drive because it was foggy. Why was difficult to drive today? Today was difficult to drive because it was foggy. I didn't go to the supermarket today because it was raining a lot. Why didn't you go to the supermarket today? I didn't go to the supermarket today because it was raining a lot. Please subscribe to the channel not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.